There can never be enough moped-style e-bikes. This is probably what the management of many modern manufacturers are thinking when they continue pouring money into the research and development of new models within this class. So today, we're looking at the freshest newcomers that embrace rugged looks with fat tires and long bench seats. Let's get started. Himiway C5. Himiway C5 is an upcoming e-bike for those who enjoy the looks of traditional mopeds and like to take occasional trips to the nearest dirt trail. The base of the model is an aerospace-grade aluminum frame that can withstand loads up to 330 pounds and features an extra-long bench-style saddle suitable for both taller and shorter riders. The bike's frame also holds a 48-volt, 20-amp-hour battery pack with LG cells that could provide up to 80 miles of riding autonomy. The function of the electrified heart is carried out by a 750-watt e-motor that is hooked up to a Shimano gearbox and can be activated with the push of the thumb throttle. This motor setup grants you a 28 mph top speed and 63 pound-feet of torque capabilities. Owing to the 20x4-inch fat tires, climbing hills with up to 15-degree inclines would turn out to be a walk in the park. To smooth out even the bumpiest rides, there's a 140mm inverted front fork and a 47mm adjustable rear shock. Access to all smart features and important performance data can be accessed through a backlit LCD. Juiced Bike's Scorpion X2. For the upcoming 2024 model year, the California-based Juiced Bikes are bringing the much-awaited update to their Scorpion e-moped. The X2 iteration of the fan-favorite Scorpion retains all the elements inherent to this vehicle class, while bringing the budget-friendly pricing of $1,599. Similar to its direct competitor, Scorpion X2 is based on a sturdy frame with a step-through design, a spacious moto-style saddle, a built-in rear cargo rack, and all-terrain knobby tires. The electrified power is supplied by a 1,000-watt rear hub motor and a frame-mounted 52-volt, 15-amp-hour battery pack. With such a powertrain setup, you can count on a 55-mile range autonomy at speeds up to 28 miles per hour. Considering that this model would likely see many dirt trails in its lifetime, full coverage fenders and a 2,000-lumen headlight are a nice addition to the bike's standard configuration. Other noteworthy features of the Scorpion X2 include a triple-clamp suspension fork, front and rear hydraulic disc brakes, and a backlit LCD control display. Segway-Xyber. At the 2024 CES exhibition, one more established e-mobility manufacturer has chosen a path of blurring the lines between bicycles and mini motorcycles. On the show floor, Segway showcased their latest e-mobility products, including a moped-style e-bike called the Xyber. The model's based on a double cradle frame that is sturdy enough to carry a rider and a passenger, whose comfort is guaranteed by an extra-long seat cushion. The rugged nature of this e-bike is backed up by the use of a full suspension setup with 120mm of travel both in the front and in the rear, as well as a set of ultra-wide all-terrain tires. To ensure that you won't get stuck in the middle of a steep hill, Segway-Xyber received an e-motor with a 129 pound-feet torque parameter. Besides letting you effortlessly climb hills, this motor unit completes the sprint from 0 to 20 mph in 2.5 seconds. To keep this bike running for up to 95 miles, the manufacturer used a frame-mounted battery pack with a 1440 watt-hour capacity. The technological package includes an active scene perception technology that adapts the e-motor output to the riding conditions, and a smart dashboard that lets you control a variety of security features, headlights, and GPS navigation. Lyric Cycle's Graffiti and Graffiti X. If you think that all manufacturers that are producing moped-style e-bikes are just capitalizing on our positive memories of mopeds of the past and do not back the looks with moped-like performance, then you should check out Graffiti by Lyric Cycles. Besides awarding their e-bike with proper retro looks with a large rounded headlamp and a custom 2-passenger scrambler seat, Lyric Cycles gave the Graffiti one of the most capable powertrains in this class. The powertrain comprises a powerful 2,500-watt electric motor and a 52-volt 17.5 amp-hour battery pack. This model can be ordered with a dual battery setup so you can travel at speeds up to 38 miles per hour and cover distances up to 80 miles. Please note that Graffiti is sold as a Class 2 electric bike in the USA, so when ridden in the cities, you'd be restricted to the maximum output of 1,000 watts and the 20 mile per hour top speed. However, in the unlimited mode, you'd be able to unleash the peak output of 4,700 watts. The powertrain can be activated by means of a thumb throttle or a 9-level pedal assist system with a sealed 12-magnet cadence sensor. If you're craving more power, then you'll be thrilled to find out about the update coming to the Graffiti bike for the upcoming model year. The Graffiti X, which is currently available for pre-order, is getting more power, range, and a host of other important updates. Of course, the power boost couldn't have been possible without a motor and battery upgrade. Now, you're getting access to a 3,000-watt motor and a 60-volt 35 amp-hour battery pack. With such powertrain components, you can put to use 7,200 watts of peak output and ride at speeds reaching 45 mph in the off-road mode. Moreover, the upcoming bike will also feature a robust front and rear suspension setup, 4-piston Magura hydraulic brakes, dual sport tires, ultra-bright lights, and turn signals so you're visible on the road at all times. How do you like this lineup so far? Which of these models will become the most popular on the roads? Share your thoughts below, and we keep rolling. QuietKat Lynx. QuietKat, an American manufacturer of rugged all-terrain electric bikes, has recently unveiled a new model that tastefully combines modern e-bike aesthetics with motorcycle-inspired cafe racer vibes. Its power will come from a throttle-activated hub motor with a cadence sensor and 1,000 watts of output. This motor features a VPO technology that brings a seamless transition between e-bike classes, making the Lynx eligible for riding in different environments. You may switch between Class 1, Class 2, and Class 3 power, or even enter the unlimited mode that unlocks peak power output for off-road riding. Luckily, besides a powerful motor, the Lynx achieves supreme off-road capabilities with the help of a full suspension system and highly capable 24 by 4.5-inch moto-style tires. The suspension setup is represented by a 203mm inverted mechanical coil fork and a rear mechanical coil shock with 100mm of travel. The standard bike's configuration features a 48-volt 20 amp-hour battery pack, which will reportedly last for up to 60 miles. The VPO technology is not the only smart feature offered by the Lynx, as you're also getting a powerful control app for tracking your performance, remotely locking your bike, and pinpointing its GPS location. Despite being equipped with a step-through frame that is inherent to classic mopeds, the admirers of motorcycling will surely like the new X-Trail Pro, thanks to its motorcycle-style rounded headlamp, knobby 20 by 4-inch tires with all-terrain capabilities, and a surprisingly potent powertrain. The ability to reach the 42 mile/hour top speed automatically puts X-Trail Pro in line with top-tier e-bikes of today. Such speed capabilities come courtesy of a dual-motor powertrain that consists of a 750-watt front and 1,000-watt rear hub motor. The motor output is activated by means of a twist throttle or a pedal assist system with a cadence sensor. The powertrain is not the only department where the manufacturer decided to double down. Besides 2 motors, the bike is equipped with a dual battery system and a dual suspension setup. The 48-volt 20 amp-hour front battery and 48-volt 15 amp-hour rear battery bring the overall capacity to 1,680 watt-hours. In turn, this equates to the maximum range of 120 miles. The dual suspension with a hydraulic adjustable front fork and rear spring suspension are there to smooth the ride in any road conditions, while nut 4-piston hydraulic disc brakes with 180mm rotors are there to ensure proper stopping power. Our team is working hard on bringing the latest and greatest news from the world of electric two-wheelers. If you'd like to support our efforts, please subscribe for further updates, and feel free to share our work with your friends or request new overviews in the comment section below. Thanks once again, and till next time.